An important attribute is the resolution. This measures how many pixels goes across within 1 inch of an image, hence the term pixels per inch or PPI. The higher the number, the more richer the color value. But before you decide to put large numbers under resolution, hear me out. That can actually get us in trouble. Which number you enter in resolution depends on what you're creating and how you plan on delivering that product. A resolution of 72 pixels per inch is used if the image is to remain on screen, like the images of a website. Even if you were to create a document of 300 pixels per inch, it will be viewed at 72 if it's left on screen. Now, if the output involves print material like brochures and business cards and posters, it will require a much larger resolution because printing takes up heavy ink. I've created brochures and business cards with a resolution of 300 ppi. A poster can be as high as 600 ppi. But for on-screen only, and for these tutorials, let's keep the resolution at 72 and leave it at that. But be careful of how you enter numbers. A common mistake my students make is sometimes entering a larger number, like 1,000 meant for pixels, but select inches instead. Imagine the strain it takes for a computer to open an image that's 1,000 inches, or around 83 feet. Now, that's large. Now, graphic designers most likely create graphic elements using inches, since some of their products have standard dimensions. For instance, a brochure is typically 8 inches by 12 inches, business cards are typically 3.5 by 2, whereas web designers are more likely to use pixels because they're more concerned about how a website appears on a monitor.